security. Of course, we have not elaborated much on the work of security. It would not be fair to talk about security department's internal functioning. Therefore, we have listed only 4 points. A. Over and above the primary responsibility of the Department of Security to ensure a foolproof personal security to His Holiness the Dalai Lama, joint efforts will be made to avoid any lapses to carry out this task by maintaining contacts with the Government of India, the Government of the State of Himachal Pradesh, and other relevant authorities where His Holiness the Dalai Lama visits. B. To those who hurl baseless, libelous utterances against His Holiness the Dalai Lama, those who seek to harm the fundamental cause of the Tibetan people, and those who set out to destroy the peace and harmony of the Tibetan society, I will not hesitate to respond regardless of who the mischief maker may be and from whichever place. C. While ensuring all-round efficiency in discharging the regular task of the Department of Security, every effort will be made to produce qualitative monitoring and compilation of information on Tibet-related matters, their documentation and archiving and analysis. D. For the purpose of maintaining contact with the Tibetan unit in the Indian Armed Forces and to look after the welfare of its veterans, including reaching out to the Government of India, a responsible coordinator will be posted in the Department of Security.